Welcome to Math Lesson 9.5, Fraction of a Number. We're going to move in a little closer now. Today we're going to be talking about a fraction of a number. You should be able to identify a fraction of a set of objects and solve for a fraction of a number. So my first example here is we are going to take 6 dots that I'm going to use on a marker with, and we're going to divide them into 2 equal parts. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've taken 6 dots and I've divided them into 2 parts. That gives me a 3 in each group. So half of 6 would equal 3. Then I'm going to take the same number, 6 dots, but now I'm going to divide them into 3 parts. So we're going to find the 1/3 of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/3 of 6 is 2. So you have found the fraction of a number. We're going to continue working on 1/3 of 12 equals 4. And I'm going to take 12 dots and divide them into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have 1/3 of 12 is 4. And you will notice that you might recognize from our multiplication and division families that 3, 4, and 12 are a family. So what you want to practice on this is finding a fraction of a number is like finding a quotient. It requires dividing the whole. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. All right, so now I have our last set of examples here, and I'm taking large groups and I'm dividing them. So I have half of 12, so I have 12 dots, and I've divided them into 2 groups. So how many do I have in each group? Did you say 6? Then you would be correct. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is in one group. So 1/2 of 12 would be 6. Then I have 1/4 of 12. I'm going to divide 12 dots into 4 different groups. 12 divided by 4 would be 3. Then I have 12 dots divided into 3 groups. 1/3 of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm taking my same 12 dots and I'm dividing them into different groups. 6 groups in this case. So 1/6 of 12 is going to be 1, 2. Now we're going to go with a different number. We're going to do a family of 18. I'm going to take half of 18. That means I'm going to put 18 into 2 equal groups, and that's going to give me 9. Or you could look at it, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Going to take our same 18 and divide it into 6 equal groups. And see how many belong in one group, and that's going to be 18 divided by 6, which is 1, 2, 3. And now we have 1/3 of 18. 18 divided into thirds is going to be 6, and you can count that just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our last practice problem is 1/9 of 18. So I'm going to take 18 dots and divide it into 9 groups, and that's going to give me 1, 2 in each group. So I hope that helped you. That was a nice introduction to our fraction of a number. You're going to continue practicing with your assignment on our lesson page 257, and you can check your homework sheet for the problems that you're going to do. Let me know if you have any trouble or have any questions. Thank you.